System maintenance. Hello folks, welcome to this comprehensive lesson on system maintenance, focusing specifically on maintenance procedures for air conditioning and refrigeration systems, as well as preventative maintenance techniques. In today's modern world, air conditioning and refrigeration play critical roles in both residential and commercial environments. Proper maintenance ensures these systems operate efficiently, reduce energy consumption, and extend their lifespan. Let's delve into the details. Understanding air conditioning and refrigeration systems. Before we dive into maintenance procedures, it's essential to have a basic understanding of how these systems work. Air conditioning systems are designed to control the temperature, humidity, and quality of air in an indoor space. Refrigeration systems, on the other hand, are primarily used to preserve perishable goods by maintaining a cool environment. Both systems function on similar principles, utilizing a refrigerant to absorb heat from the surroundings and expel it elsewhere through a cycle of evaporation and condensation. Key components. Compressor, the heart of the system, responsible for circulating the refrigerant and increasing its pressure. Condenser, a set of coils that dissipates the absorbed heat to the outside environment. Evaporator, coils that absorb heat from the indoor space, cooling the air or interior of a refrigerator. Expansion valve. This component regulates the flow of refrigerant into the evaporator. Maintenance procedures for air conditioning systems. Regular maintenance is vital to ensure the efficiency and longevity of air conditioning systems. Here are some standard maintenance procedures. 1. Cleaning or replacing air filters. Air filters should be cleaned or replaced every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage and environmental conditions. Clogged filters can reduce airflow and cause the system to work harder, leading to increased energy use and potential damage. 2. Checking refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant levels can indicate leaks and lead to reduced cooling efficiency. It's essential to check and top off refrigerant levels regularly, as well as repair any leaks that are detected. 2. Inspecting ductwork. Ducts should be inspected for leaks or blockages that could impede airflow. Properly sealed and insulated ducts are crucial for optimal performance. 3. Cleaning condenser and evaporator coil. Dirt and debris accumulation on coils can reduce heat exchange efficiency. Periodic cleaning will help maintain the system's efficiency and prevent overworking the compressor. 4. Checking electrical components. Inspecting electrical connections and components can prevent shorts and failures. Look for signs of wear like frayed wires or burnt connectors.
Maintenance procedures for refrigeration systems. Refrigeration systems require tailored maintenance approaches. Here are key procedures to keep them functioning optimally. 1. Monitoring temperature settings. Ensure that the temperature settings match the requirements for the stored items. Avoid frequent changes which can strain the system. 2. Cleaning the interior and exterior. Regular cleaning prevents odors and maintains air quality. It also helps in early detection of cracks or damages. 3. Inspecting door seals. Door seals should be checked for leaks or tears, as these can allow cold air to escape, making the system less efficient. 4. Examining fans and motors. Fans and motors should be inspected and lubricated as needed. Listen for unusual noises that could indicate wear or impending failure. Preventative maintenance techniques. Preventative maintenance helps in avoiding unexpected breakdowns and prolongs the life of fixed systems. Here are some effective techniques. 1. Regular inspections. Schedule inspections by qualified technicians at least twice a year. These checks can identify potential issues before they become severe problems. 2. Implementation of a maintenance log. Keep detailed records of all maintenance activities, repairs, and part replacements. This log helps track the system's condition and plan future maintenance activities. 3. Training staff for basic maintenance. Training your team in basic maintenance tasks like changing filters or cleaning components can prevent minor issues from escalating. 4. Upgrading system components. Consider upgrading outdated parts with newer, more energy-efficient models. This can enhance system performance and reduce operational costs. Executive summary. Here's a summary of understanding air conditioning and refrigeration systems. Basic principles. 1. Heat transfer. Air conditioning and refrigeration systems transfer heat from one location to another. 2. Refrigeration cycle. The refrigeration cycle consists of 4 stages: compression, condensation, expansion, and evaporation. 3. Refrigerants. Refrigerants are substances that change state from liquid to gas and back to liquid as they absorb and release heat. System components. 1. Compressor. Compresses the refrigerant, raising its temperature and pressure. 2. Condenser. Rejects heat from the hot refrigerant gas to the surrounding air or water. 3. Evaporator. Absorbs heat from the surrounding air or water, causing the liquid refrigerant to evaporate. 4. Expansion device. Reduces the pressure of the refrigerant, allowing it to expand and become cold. Air conditioning systems. 1. Window units, self-contained units that provide cooling for a single room. 2. Split systems consist of an outdoor compressor unit and an indoor evaporator unit. 3. Central air conditioning. Provides cooling for an entire building or home. Refrigeration systems. 1. Domestic refrigerators. Provide cooling for food and beverages in homes. 2. Commercial refrigeration used in supermarkets, restaurants, and other businesses that require large-scale refrigeration. 3. Industrial refrigeration used in industries such as food processing, pharmaceuticals, and chemical manufacturing. Key concepts. 1. Cooling capacity. The amount of heat that a system can remove from a space or object. 2. Energy efficiency. The ratio of cooling capacity to energy consumption. 3. Refrigerant management, the proper handling, storage, and disposal of refrigerants. Here's a summary of maintenance procedures for air conditioning systems. Pre-maintenance procedures. 1. Safety precautions. Ensure the system is turned off and locked out to prevent accidental startup. 2. Gather equipment and tools. Collect necessary equipment and tools, such as filters, cleaning solutions, and a multimeter. Maintenance procedures. 1. Filter maintenance. Clean or replace air filters to ensure proper airflow and system efficiency. 2. Coil cleaning. Clean condenser and evaporator coils to maintain heat transfer efficiency. 3. Refrigerant checks. Verify refrigerant levels and inspect for leaks. For electrical system checks, inspect the electrical connections, contacts, and wiring for damage or wear. 5. Thermostat calibration. Verify thermostat accuracy and adjust as necessary. 6. Drainage system checks. Inspect drainage systems to ensure proper water flow and prevent water damage. Additional maintenance tasks. 1. Compressor maintenance. Check compressor oil levels and inspect for signs of wear or damage. 2. Fan motor maintenance. Inspect fan motors for signs of wear or damage and lubricate as necessary. 3. Capacitor checks. Verify capacitor condition and replace if necessary. Post-maintenance procedures. 1. System testing. Turn on the system and verify proper operation. 2. Leak testing. Perform leak tests to ensure the system is leak-free. 3. Documentation, record maintenance activities, including repairs, replacements, and inspections. Scheduled maintenance. 1. Regular maintenance. Perform maintenance tasks at regular intervals, for example, quarterly, semi-annually. 2. Seasonal maintenance. Perform seasonal maintenance tasks such as cleaning coils and inspecting drainage systems before peak cooling seasons. By following these maintenance procedures, you can help ensure your air conditioning system operates efficiently, effectively, and safely. Here's a summary of preventative maintenance techniques for air conditioning and refrigeration systems.
Regular maintenance tasks. 1. Filter cleaning replacement. Clean or replace air filters every 1 to 3 months to ensure proper airflow and system efficiency. 2. Coil cleaning. Clean condenser and evaporator coils every 3 to 6 months to maintain heat transfer efficiency. 3. Refrigerant checks. Verify refrigerant levels and inspect for leaks every 6 to 12 months. 4. Electrical system checks. Inspect electrical connections, contacts, and wiring every 6 to 12 months. 5. Thermostat calibration. Verify thermostat accuracy and adjust as necessary every 6 to 12 months. Additional maintenance tasks. 1. Compressor maintenance. Check compressor oil levels and inspect for signs of wear or damage every 12 months. 2. Fan motor maintenance. Inspect fan motors for signs of wear or damage and lubricate as necessary every 12 months. 3. Capacitor checks. Verify capacitor condition and replace if necessary every 12 to 24 months. 4. Drainage system checks. Inspect drainage systems to ensure proper water flow and prevent water damage every 12 months. Predictive maintenance techniques. 1. Vibration analysis. Monitor vibration levels to detect potential issues with compressors, fans, and other components. 2. Temperature monitoring. Monitor temperature levels to detect potential issues with refrigerant flow, compressor performance, and heat transfer. 3. Pressure monitoring. Monitor pressure levels to detect potential issues with refrigerant flow, compressor performance, and system leaks. Benefits of preventative maintenance. 1. Improved system efficiency. Regular maintenance helps ensure optimal system performance, reducing energy consumption and costs. 2. Extended equipment lifespan. Preventative maintenance helps prevent wear and tear, extending the lifespan of equipment and reducing replacement costs. 3. Reduced downtime. Regular maintenance helps identify potential issues before they cause system failures, reducing downtime and minimizing disruptions. 4. Improved safety. Preventative maintenance helps ensure safe system operation, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. In conclusion, effective system maintenance for air conditioning and refrigeration involves a combination of regular inspections, routine cleaning, and timely repairs. By implementing preventative maintenance techniques, you can ensure these systems remain reliable and efficient, ultimately saving on energy costs and preventing costly repairs. Remember, a well-maintained system not only performs better but also provides a safer and more comfortable environment. Thank you for your attention and best practices in achieving excellence in system maintenance. Thank you for attending this lesson. We hope to have you again in the next lesson. Happy learning, folks!